Hello, here is how to get started with the SensorHub platform. So from our website, please click on the SensorHub on top of the screen, and here you'll see the login page, and so you can input your credentials and press the login button, and you will arrive to this dashboard. On this dashboard, which is going to be empty at the beginning, the first thing you need to do is to create a project. So you can press on the plus button there, and you're going to create a project. Once you have created your project, you see that now you have one project there. You can click on the project to go into the project dashboard. And this is the project dashboard. Right now, we don't have any sensors there, so there's not much to display. But one thing you need to do is to add some stove types to your project. And so we're going to create first stove. Let's call it stove 1. You can create potentially as many stove as you need, stove 2, for example. And so those are the stove on which you're going to be deploying the sensor. And so that's what you need to do. So now you have your project, and you have some stove inside your project. So that's what you need to do to get started. You can also create some users there if you want to give other users access to the platform or to the app. You need to create those users there. Let's now switch to the app so that I can show you how to register sensor to add sensor to your project. All right. So now on your phone, you can open our SensorHub app, and this is the screen that you'll see when you open. Here we have a lot of sensors around, so you see a lot of tiles there. And the first thing you'll want to do is to log in. So you can press there and press the login button and use the same credentials as the one that you used for logging into the SensorHub cloud platform. All right. And so now that you're logged in, you can see that you have a lot more information about the different sensors that you see there. And so to register sensor, you're going to press on the big plus button at the bottom, and you will start by scanning the barcode from the sensor you want to register. So you'll scan the barcode using the camera, and then you can select your product. So here you see you find the project for that you created, and you can select on which stove you're going to put your sensor. So let's say we put it on stove 1, and then you should take a picture of the sensor on the stove. And that's useful to check that your sensor is well positioned on the stove and there's no issue there. And to show that the stove is there. So that's the picture, and now you can claim your device. And so you successfully. And so now if we've registered this one, you can register a second sensor if you want to. So here's the barcode, select the project, stove type. Let's put on stove 1. Again, you take a picture of your sensor and you can claim it. Perfect, you was claimed successfully. And you can see that now those devices are claimed. And once a sensor is claimed, its data will be automatically synced to the dashboard. So you only need to claim the sensor once at the beginning when you first install it on the stove. And then that's it. It's the simple fact of being nearby the sensor. If you open your app, the app will scan the sensor, and as soon as there is connectivity, it will upload the data to the internet. So the app can work offline, and as soon as there is an internet connection, the app will send the data to the cloud platform. So you just need to be logged in to register the sensor. But after, even if you're not logged in, you can upload the data by simply being nearby the sensor. All right, so now we're back onto the cloud platform. and you see that on the home dashboard, you have two devices now. When we click on the projects, you have the project dashboard, and now you can see the two devices that were just claimed. And you have a map showing the location of the device, and here is going to be the graph of the number of events, cooking time displayed by those sensors. There is a third dashboard that you can access by clicking on a specific sensor, and this one is a specific dashboard for a specific sensor. So you have three dashboards. You have the home dashboard that will show you all your projects. Then when you click on the project, you go to the project dashboard. And then when you click on the sensor itself, you get the sensor dashboard. You can export the data as well as a CSV of a specific sensor. Or if you go into a project, you can also export the data for the whole project, and I would export all your data.